certain restaurant is 23.8k. Arrive on 15 minus 20 or 3.6 in negative 2, and that is 32% or 32.
Hi, so I'm back in my dorm. So I'm going to get ready kasi meron akong afternoon class. So today is March 17 and very not consistent yung pag-vlog ko kasi nga gumagawa ko ng mini vlogs and phone na yung gamit ko, so nag-mix siya. Ngayon I have a 1 p.m. class hanggang 3, tapos uuwi ako sa amin kasi mag-online class kami for the rest of the week. Today is Tuesday, by the way. Wala na yung part na tatapusin ko, hindi ko pa siya natatapos. And isunod ko ito. Look at my anik-anik, guys. Hindi ko alam kung saan ako masunod sa paglilinis, sa paglililit. Time of the year again. Another day, and today is Friday, and I am currently doing my biomol review. Tapos late na ako nagising, nag-message yung contempt instructor namin na meron kaming activity. Like today is Eid al-Fitr, since like for the Ramadan, so it's holiday. Tapos biglang nag-message ng ganun, na stress ako. Alam mo, nadadagdagan yung gawaan ko day by day. Like yesterday, our cell mall, meron kaming karyotyping.
Ikaw? Hindi ako hinaundot sa plaza.
So this is wrong and I need to redo. Tapos isa pa lang yung natapos ko, tapos meron akong 3. So I'm going to finish one last na lang. Happy Sunday. In the middle of stress, here I am crocheting. So I'm making mini flowers. I have here a mini tulip and a mini flower. Update, guys! So it's March 22 and it's currently 9 p.m. And ngayon is nagtitimpla ako kasi mga 2 nights na ako hindi nakatimpla ng ganito. Parang wala akong energy. May kabi. It's March 24. It's currently 11:50 and we have our... Today is the first day of our examination, our midterms, and magsa-start yung exam ko ng 2:15 and I have a time pa for review kasi walang naman tong utak ko to. Well, anyways guys, inaantok talaga ako kaso ginamad akong magtimpla ng kape ko, so tiis antok muna. Play.